Hello everyone. In this tutorial, we will create fog cap and the sketch is shown on the right. So let's start. Starting a new part document, choose this button. The new SolidWorks document dialog box will appear. Now choose the part button and then choose the OK button. Now creating the base feature of the model, go to Features Command Manager and choose the Extruded Boss Base button. Now choose the top plane as the sketching plane. Now we wanted a 6-side polygon with the construction circle inscribed in the polygon, for which go to polygon button and in the parameters rollout the value should be 6 and the inscribed circle is selected. Now choose the OK button, click on the origin and drag your mouse outwards, click here. Now go to smart dimension, click here and here. Now put the value 40. Now choose the OK button. Our sketch is not fully defined. To make it fully defined, go to display and delete relations drop down and choose the add relation. In the selected entities, click on the center and here and give it a relation horizontal. Now choose the OK button. Now our sketch is fully defined. Exit from the sketch environment by clicking on the confirmation corner. The Boss Extrude property manager is displayed. In the direction 1 rollout, the end condition will be blind and in the depth spinner value will be 2.5. Now choose the OK button. Next, creating the second feature of the model, go to Extruded Boss Base button and select the bottom planar face of the model as the sketching plane. Now go to circle drop down, select the circle and create 2 circles. Now choose the OK button. Go to smart dimension, dimension the circle, put the value 36, click here and put the value 20. Now choose the OK button. Our sketch is fully defined. Now exit from the sketch environment by clicking on the confirmation corner. The Boss Extrude property manager is displayed. From the direction 1 rollout, the end condition will be blind and the value of the depth spinner will be 14. Now choose the OK button. The next feature of the model is a split line. We will divide the top face of the base feature into 2 faces by selecting the split line tool and then create a dome feature on a divided face. Go to Sketch Command Manager and select the sketch button and select the top plane of the base feature. Now go to circle drop down, select the circle button, click on the origin and create 1 circle. Choose the OK button, go to smart dimension and dimension the circle and put the value 32. Now choose the OK button. Now exit from the sketch environment. Now go to features and go to curves drop down and select the split line. In the types of split, the projection is selected and in the selection, the sketch is selected. And here, select the outer surface. Now choose the OK button. The split line is created. Now go to insert, go to features and choose the dome button. And in the parameters, select the split line which we have created. And the value of the distance spinner will be 5. Now choose the OK button. Now go to view orientation flyout, click here and choose the front view. Next, applying the cosmetic threads, for which again go to insert, then go to annotations and choose the cosmetic thread button. And in the thread setting, select the edge. In the standard, it will be asymmetric. Types, it will be machine threads. Size will be M36 into 4.0 and the end condition will be up to next. Now choose the OK button. The cosmetic thread is created. Now we need to modify the standard view such that the front view of the model became the top view, for which go to orientation button and change the model orientation to front view. Now press the spacebar. The orientation tab will appear and click on the update standard views. Now change the front view to top view and then choose the yes button. Now the front view of the model is changed to top view. Now Press the space bar and the orientation tab will appear. Move it to the right and here you can see the front view of the model is changed to the top view. After modifying the orientation of the standard view, we can again reset the standard setting of all the standard views in the current document by using the Reset Standard View button from the Orientation dialog box. Press the spacebar. The Orientation dialog box will appear and here choose the Reset Standard Views button and choose the Yes button. So after resetting to the default setting, the front view will return to its original position as front view. Now, saving the model, go to Save drop down and choose the Save As button. Go to Motorcycle Project folder and here name it as Fork Cab. Now choose the Save button. Thanks for watching the video.